Hello, wonderful people, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back on this platform, BVI Channel 1, where we tell you undiluted truth. And you heard me say many times over on this platform that if you don't vote, they will vote on your behalf. And this is exactly what is about to happen come November 6th in Anambra State. And the video is already out. Since yesterday, there have been reports of vehicles, lorries, buses loaded from many parts of Nigeria, especially from the north and from Imo State, coming into Anambra State. What are they coming here to do other than to vote on your behalf? If you are still in doubt, in case you have not seen it, watch.
Vote ever. Una fugonde ya to vote. If buses are not agree, if one no name here, on the Anambra na to vote. Here na agree on.
Why?
Here na agree on. Na pia. Only in there, I got to go 100.
Hey, nna ya bụkwa squad na Ausadi anyị. Fare kwa nne o. Ọkwa ife ihe dị na moto fa NST gịnị?
That is it. You saw it, right? You saw it for yourselves. It is not just one account. It's not just how many more will come in today and tomorrow when we will be sitting at home, wonderfully taking our offensala. People are coming in to do the needful on your behalf. And you know what will be? The outcome. APC will take over. You know the result? Go to Imo State. If you're outside Nigeria, come to Nigeria. In case you're not getting results of the carnage, the killing, the massacre, left, right, and center, the failed system under this very government, then you are living in the moon. If you don't know. So, those who are wishing our homeland, those who want to set back our struggle for freedom from this impunity called Nigeria are the ones that are still pushing for sit at home, stop election, boycott election, and those propagandas. Those who want to see our homeland fall into the hands of our very oppressors. Many of them are doing so because of ignorance, sentiment, emotion, unfounded emotions that have nothing to do with solving the problem. So my people, it is time we do it now or never, or we regret it. Now to the governor of Anambra State. Governor Willie Obiano kita bozo geji ekempo, kita bozo geji amambe, kita bife akpokuo dike. Nan akpokuo ngi uru na ibu dike. Kita ife eji amalu dike erugo. Step out from that your comfort zone. Go out on the street. Go along with your commissioner of police, because I believe, and the commander of the army, because I know for sure they should have intelligence report of these aliens, I call them. The strangers trooping into Anambra State. What is their mission? You are the chief security, so-called, in Anambra State. Step out there. Don't fold your arms and do nothing. You must go out there, fish out where these people have gone to, where they are staying, what they have come to do. If their mission is not clear, repatriate them. After all, repatriating the buy from Lagos State. This is time to fight like a lion. This is time to fight like a leopard. This is time to fight like a true-blooded Igbo man, especially from Aguleri. Now, it is now left for you to stand up to the occasion. You saw how Wike fought them in River State. You saw how Obaseki fought them in Edo State. You saw how Autumn fought them in Benue State and other places. Now, this is time to save Anambra State from this madness. They are about to overrun our homeland. Now it is left for you to stand up to the occasion. You must step out, because if you can't step out, you don't expect me and my people to step out and vote and defend that vote. We cannot defend the votes of people who are not ready to defend their own votes and what they believe in. So that is just the message directly to Obiano. If you get this message, make sure you send it until Obiano watches it, until Soludo and every politician, stakeholder among you in Apoga do something. And also in PDP, Mapito Obifa and the rest of them, you must all wake up. You must all wake up. I'm not a politician, I'm not endorsing anybody, but we must stop APC. They shouldn't get any vote in Anambra State. And they know if there is free and fair election, I can tell you that APC, with all their members, will not get up to 200 votes. All their members, I mean, all these people following them, will vote against APC. They know that. They know that. It will only be left for Andy Oba and whoever that is deputizing him and some of the party faithfuls, who I believe are not up to 200. They are stakeholders. They should be the ones to vote for Andy Oba. But as far as the people, including card carriers of APC, will not vote for APC. That is the truth. So if there is a free and fair, they know that. So there is only one option for them to have a shot at Agoka, is to rig this election, and that is what we are seeing. On the subsequent videos, in fact, let me not just keep it on, so let me just say it here right now and ahead. Listen, the current presence of the military, the police, and it is raising tension, and that is very clear. It is even arousing the fear of the people not to come out and vote. But I tell you that if a burotoro no turunike, I have been warning, and we refused until it got to this point. We have not invited them. We are the ones that invited them, not Buhari, and we gave them the key to flood our homeland today with security operatives under the control of APC. But that will not deter us from fighting. Okay? From coming out to discharge our rights, vote, and defend it. And that is all I have to say. I'm signing out. Stay connected. Keep watching. I'll keep updating you, because I'm giving you the last minute shots for us to salvage Igbo land, beginning with Anambra State. Stay safe. Share this video. Make sure Obiano sees this video. Bye-bye.